Another question is, could you create any choreography to any particular song? I think you can. I don't see why not. It just has to make sense with the feeling of the song. It doesn't make sense to like start getting buck and going crazy to say Mozart. Though it probably would be because the juxtaposition is art in itself, and on the audience's point of view, that can be, they might appreciate it in terms of the art, or some people might think that's weird. But I don't think there's any limitation on what song you can choreograph to, because it's art. You're not competing. And I think how people interpret it or how people receive it is up to them. That's something we don't have control over. I've seen people choreograph to like John Mayer, to classical music, so I think it works. The idea is dope. The important thing is execution, because if the choreography doesn't really look like it fits with it, then it's going to be a little bit hard to sell. But then that's up to you if you're going to present it to other people, or if you're just creating for the sake of creating for yourself. So, and that's where like getting feedback from mentors and instructors or your community or friends is going to be super beneficial. So I don't think there's anything wrong with choreographing to any particular song. You can create. I mean, I've done locking songs to 80s songs. I've done breaking songs to pop songs. For me, I like creating choreography that entertains the people and that I know will make them laugh or smile or whatever. I'm not trying to show off super complex musicality. I'm aiming to just make the crowd enjoy the movement. So, and that in itself, the crowd enjoying the movement is it's all relative of how you want to execute it. So I hope that answers your question, Rosie. So